Um, good morning to you. What are you doing? Good morning. Did you sleep so good last night for Mama? And your Dada? Did you sleep so good for them? You did such a great job. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of the good sleeper. And you wake up just happy? Did you have good dreams? Yeah? Did you have good dreams? What'd you dream about? What did you dream about, Handsome? I love you. I love you so much. Let's get a picture of your little toes, your dog feet. Aww. Are those the dog feet that you have? Do you have little dog feet? Yeah. I love you. I love